This video will show you how to insert an in-text citation for books. First, make sure that you've got the References tab selected and that your style is on APA 6th. When you want to insert your in-text citation, make sure that you've placed the cursor, for example in this case where we've done a quote, between the talking marks and the full stop. Then go to Insert Citation. If we've already entered the details for the citation, you could choose from one of these, but in this case we're going to add a new source. Select the type of source that you need to use. We'll leave it on Book, and choose to show all bibliography fields so that you can see all the fields. Then we're going to enter our information for our author, and you'll notice down the bottom here, once we've got the cursor in a particular field, that an example is shown in how to actually enter that data. An easy way to add more than one author is to click on Edit and then add in the second and third authors. Click on Add after each one. And OK when you're finished. Entering the title of the book in here, make sure that when you enter your title that you only use capitals for the beginning of the title, the beginning of any subheadings, and for proper nouns. Enter the year. The city is the city where the publisher is located primarily. Enter the publisher's name. And the other thing you may need to enter is an edition. If it's the first edition, we never enter first. If it's the second or third edition, you need to enter that information. The other information you might want to include, if it's an ebook, you might need to include the URL or the web address as shown here, or the DOI, which is the Digital Object Identifier. Select OK when you're happy with your entries, and your in-text citation is inserted here. Now, because we've actually done a direct quote, it's very important that you include page numbers. So we want to actually edit this in-text citation. Click on the in-text citation and you'll get this frame come up, and the little drop-down menu will give you the option to edit the citation. Here's where we can enter our page number. Okay, in our second sentence down here, you'll notice we've actually used the name of an author within the sentence. So if I want to add in my citation here for Jacob, I could go to Insert Citation, and I have already entered Jacob, so I will select Jacob. And you'll notice here it comes in author date. Since we've already used the name of the author in the sentence, we don't need this duplication in here. So click on this in-text citation. Once again, we can edit the citation, and we can choose to suppress the author. You'll notice what will actually happen is it will then revert to providing the title. We don't need that either, so you need to suppress the title as well. So what we're left with is Jacob 1991.